Hello guys, welcome back to Gym Stuff channel. So how you guys are doing? I hope everybody is good and safe. Guys, today's video I'm gonna share with you guys a very effective skincare technique of mine. I'm gonna show you guys a face pack. So it's not just a face pack, guys. I tell you, it's a very 100% effective face pack because I have been using this from so many years now, I guess. Yeah, and I just gave a break in between, but then it's a signature face pack of a family, because I think, yeah, my grandmother, she used it, and then my mother, and then me, and obviously my daughter will also use it. So yeah, so it's a routine face pack of my family. So I just don't want to create a very big hype over it, so I'm directly jumping into the video. So I'm gonna do this face pack using orange. So yeah guys, so these are the things which I'm gonna use. And back those days, I just used the skin of oranges. I just take the skin of orange and I dry it in hot sun for some 1-2 weeks, and then we blend it in a mixer grinder and we take the powder of it and then we apply it on our skin. So that was very effective. And because that was the only face pack which was allowed in my home those days. Now the story is different because I apply whatever I want, because I'm not with my mom now. I'm in Singapore, so I just apply whatever I want. But those days when I'm with my mom, she never allows me to apply chemicals, so I obviously go for natural skincare. And I used to use this because it was a very favorite skincare of her as well, so I just go for her own skincare. So yeah, we used to use that powdered orange peel powder. But now is going to do some changes to my face pack because drying orange skin over the sun is not possible in Singapore right now because it's winter, and secondly I don't get direct sunlight inside my home, so yeah, I cannot do it. And then what I'm going to do is, to save time as well, I'm just going to grate the orange skin, and I'm just going to take orange zest and I'm gonna use it. Okay, so I'm gonna also add some ingredients with it which works wonders to our skin. So let's get started. So for this face pack, I'm gonna use one orange, and I'm gonna grate the skin of this orange with this grater. So go on, grate it. It's very easy, so you just have to do like this. So here my orange zest is ready. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take 1 spoon of this grated orange skin in a bowl, and then I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric to it. So turmeric works amazing for reducing your tan and whitening your skin. And then I'm going to add a little bit of honey as well. So this is again a very important thing for whitening your skin. So I'm just adding 1 full spoon of honey here, and I'm going to give a good mix to it. If in case I feel that my face pack is little bit of thick, then I will add little bit of again orange juice to it, so that my face pack will become to a runny consistency. So here I'm gonna add half a spoon of orange juice to it. So again, mix it really well, and our face pack is ready for application now. So here my face pack is ready, and I'm gonna apply it on my face. So I don't have anything on my face as of now, so I'm just going to apply it, and this will drop down, so be very careful. You can see there it's just dropping down on my hair, on my dress, and it's just making messy. So you can wear some old dress of yours and then you can just apply this. It's very effective, guys, so do try this. And yeah, so in between, if you feel bored, you can just have some oranges as well. It's very tasty, right? So guys, when this face pack is completely dry, so you can just leave it for 30 minutes, and after that you can just wash it away with plain water. So before washing it, you can just sprinkle some water and then massage it on your skin and then remove it. Okay, so after 30 minutes you can remove this, and you can just follow this for a week or like a month or daily even, you know. It's very safe for your skin. So yeah guys, I hope this information was definitely useful to you, and this face pack will be definitely helpful to most of you guys. So if it was, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.